Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And what do we have here today? Well, we have a 2024 GMC Canyon over here. And I tell you, this is the AT4. This is their off-road vehicle. And I gotta admit, GMC, man, you did a good job on this. I really like this vehicle. I tell you, I got inside and drove around back to work on it, and the interior is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Well, that being said, let's talk about what I did. All right, technically it wasn't me, it was the staff. But let's go in here. What do we got here? Well, this is one thing I want to point out in the video. This is the reconfiguration racks from GMC. Basically, these come off, and then you can sit here in the middle here. And he was concerned, hey, I got these factory GM racks here. Can I put a cover on here? Well, as you can see, swing around here, we found the perfect cover. Luckily, he came to us, because we had to measure out the little bit of space he has here between the bed cap and these racks here, and we had to find a cover that would fit on that, I think it's 1/8 of a spot here, and we found the Revolver X4s by Bak Industries, and as you can see, this thing looks great. Now, it's hard to tell, but this here is the rail. Look at it, kisses right up to this, and you can't even see anything. Look, I'm really impressed how nice this came out. And like I said, it's a tight fit, but it's okay. Tight is good. That fits really nice. So let's go ahead and open this thing up here. And now you do have a left and right release mechanism here. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can release it. Now, why is that good? Well, let's say you pull over to the side of the road and you got oncoming traffic here, and maybe you don't want to be on this side of the truck to open your cover. You can be on the other side, which is really nice. Also, if you look here, look how nice this big fat seal is. Now that's gonna kiss up right against this tailgate down here, and this thing's gonna give you a little compression. Now when you go to close your tailgate, since you're closing against this, might be a little bit more effort to close it, but that will give you a better seal. Now, speaking of seals and water and all that stuff, nothing we sell is waterproof. It's not a submarine, it is a cover. It's a weather resistant and water resistant cover. Now, the way we're doing this here, it might actually make it slightly better for water because of this wonderful tight fit along here. So so all this is working pretty good now. As you can see, I can reach over these no problem and open this all the way up. So it comes all the way down here. Now there's a little strap right here, which is right there. And this is gonna swing around here. And if John, if you want to come over here with the camera, and I'll show you how it goes in here. So it's basically, it's gonna go into this little groove here, and then you kind of pull it up here nice and tight. Now they do have these little protectors here. Main reason, if something from the back hits this and it moves it forward, this part will hit the window and not the metal part. Now, if you look here, if you notice, you see this little rubber thing right here. What is that? Well, on this model, that is for your hands. Being the metal, it could get a little hot. So this is gonna protect your hands when you open and close it. Now, before I go ahead and close it back up, I want you to notice a couple things. First of all, the third brake light is not covered, so if you have the cameras in there, if you have this open, that is not covered. Also, you can still see out your window with this open. And if you want to swing the camera around here, you can take a good look that you have pretty much all your space in your bed. Now, this being a 5-foot bed is not going to be the largest of all the beds. So you don't want to give up any space, and on this cover, you really don't. Now, again, I'll tell you some of the differences between the models. This one here holds 400 pounds, which is pretty standard for the Bak Industries product, and a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which is probably one of the better warranties, if not one of the best. Now, on the Revolver X4s, you do not get a drainage system that the MX4s come with. But be honest with you, the way this thing seals up, I don't think you really need to worry about it. Also, I want you to take a look here. Can you see that? That is your locking mechanism. There's actually a little groove in all these little guys right here. So when you close this, you're actually locking the entire cover, not just points of your cover, which is, I think that's one of the few companies that does that. Some of the other companies, door covers have a Velcro there and stuff, which works good too. But this one would work the best. So this is going to do a very good job of locking that cover. So if something was in the bed and you hit a bump and the stuff comes up from underneath there, you don't have to worry about it. It's all locked in here really good. So as I know a lot of people, when they get a hard cover, the main thing is it secure? Is it going to protect my belongings from the bad people out there? I would say yes, this one's going to be really, really good. Now, if you notice on this one, they also changed the hardware from silver to black. It just looks a little cleaner. All in all, I like this. Even the middle piece, which used to be silver, is now black. So again, it all looks a little bit better, and it looks very OEM. It looked like it came with the truck. And I know a lot of people, they don't want to get covers that don't look like it belongs to the truck. This looks like it belongs to the truck. I like it a whole lot. Great product. Again, 5-year warranty, very good. Now, because we installed it for them, guess what? This warranty is going to get doubled from 5 years to 10 years. That's right, 10 years. What a long warranty. Also, I'm going to give a 1-year C&H Auto Accessories warranty, which covers the labor. Manufacturer covers the parts. So if you're having issues with the cover, you basically call back in there and say, hey, I need a new part. They'll send you wherever the part is. Now, they don't send you a guy to put the part in. That's where we come into. With my 1-year labor, we cover all the labor. That includes if this had a defect and they send you a new cover, we'll take the other cover out, we'll put the new cover in, all under our warranty for an entire year. I know a lot of places, if you're lucky, you get maybe 30 days. Most places you give you nothing. We give you a full year. And main reason is, A, we believe in the product we sell, and we believe in the installation we have done. So that's why we give you the longer warranty. So you get the 10 years from the manufacturer if we install it for you, and then you get the 1 year for us on the labor. Again, this is a great cover. It's got a nice little matte finish to it. This will hold up in Florida sun if you live in Florida. I know a lot of people are worried, will the Mother Nature get to this? And I said, no, this holds up pretty well. Again, I'm Chris with C&H, and before I forget, we can ship this anywhere in the country. I do get customers occasionally. I'll put a link in the bottom of this video, by the way. They want this and they live in another state, and they always say to me, I wish you can help me, I live in Texas. We have a warehouse in Texas. We'll send it right from the warehouse to your front door. We have a warehouse in California. We have 30 plus warehouses. I actually lost count how many warehouses. I think it's 32, but I know we got a lot. So we're all over the country. So we got people in Hawaii, we're shipping to Puerto Rico, California, Texas, New York, wherever you're at, Georgia, we got you covered. So if you don't live here in Florida, you can't make it down to Florida, we got you covered. If not, you can always come here. Before I forget, like and subscribe, help us out with that. That really makes a big difference. And again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Revolver X4s by Bak Industries on the 2024 GMC Canyon AT4. Thank you.